everybody, welcome back to Dance with Mary NYC. I'm really excited for this month's segment. We're going to go over how to break in pointe shoes for beginners.
What's really important is for you to remember that shoes are made to be consistent from pair to pair, but you're an individual and you're different. So it's very important to break them in for your individual body. And it's also really important to keep in mind that if you see somebody on a video or if you see a professional breaking in their shoes, that may not necessarily be the best way for you. I'm going to give you some great tips on how to do this for beginners. Let's get those shoes out of this box and get them ready to go. I'm going to concentrate on 3 areas: the box, the shank, and the demi-pointe. Keep in mind that it's really easy to break in pointe shoes too much, so you want to do just a little bit at first, see how it feels, and then go back and keep adjusting. For the box, right there, that bottom part in the palm of your hand, and just start to work the shoe with the heels of your hands and push down, just using your body weight. Right, so keep pressing, because when the shoes come, they come very high up from top to bottom because they have to pull them so tight on the lasts, and it's really important that you just kind of flatten that out and get it ready for your foot.
Once again, be really careful when you break in shanks, because once you break it, it's broken. So you want to really kind of ease into it. One of the ways that you can do is make yourself a 3/4 bend on the shoe. It comes very straight, and once again, it's because they have to make the shoes consistent when they're selling to a mass market. Right, so we're going to take this side seam right here, and we're going to just go a little bit beyond the side seam. This is called the side quarter, and we're going to go just a few millimeters into it, and we're going to start to bend that shoe. Find yourself a ballet bar. Hold on to the shoe and make sure you lock it with your thumb, and hold on to this part and lock it with your thumb as well. If you just hold on with your hands, you're going to go ahead and you're going to break the shank, and you don't want to do that. But if you lock it with your thumbs, that shank isn't going anywhere. And all you have to do is massage that shank over the ballet bar to get your 3/4 bend. And you can see now it's already starting to bend, especially when I hold it up next to my other shoe. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that one off to the side, and I'm going to do this one. So here we go. That's that side seam, couple millimeters away from it. I'm just going to take that, lock it with my thumb, lock it with my other thumb, and then I'm just going to bend it. I'm not breaking it this way because that's going to break the shoe too low, and then once that area has detached from the bottom of the shank, it's really difficult to replace it and fix it, right? So once again, just take it, lock it with your hands, find that mark just above the side seam, and then just massage it. And then you're going to get a 3/4 stretch without breaking the shoe. So I want to talk to you next about breaking in the demi-pointe. Really important when you break in the demi-pointe. Once again, you can break the whole shoe if you're not careful. You could do it with your hands if you wanted to, but I suggest that you get the shoes on and you rise up and down on demi-pointe, and maybe even walk around on half toe, and it'll break it in nice, and it'll be ready to go for class. One of the best ways to break in the demi-pointe is to just rise up onto a half toe position and then go up onto full point, and then roll down again, and you can even walk around on demi-pointe, and that's going to help you get that nice half toe position, and you'll be ready to roll up and down in class.
Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you learned something. Click if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments below and let us know what you'd like us to cover in these episodes.